New England Pipe Cleaning Company has been in continuous operation since 1935. In 1955 we began cleaning sewers for the municipal marketplace, and since then we have taken on many types of operations that aid municipalities in investigating and repairing their sewer infrastructure. Our core business consists of cleaning, television inspection, sewer system evaluation studies, and the rehabilitation of the sewer and storm infrastructure.
What we have in front of us here is a Logiball lateral sealing unit. It's made by a company out of Canada. It's used to seal service connections in 8-inch pipe. At this end we have the motor which rotates the unit so you can spin it to different clock positions. Unfortunately, they never put the service in the same spot. This motor anchors itself in the pipe and then rotates this housing along with the packer unit itself. This housing is where the lateral bag is stored when you're traveling from one service to another. You got your mainline bladders here to inflate and isolate the service connection, and then right here is the lateral bag in the stored position. You inflate it and it shoots up the service. On the other end is the camera. This is a Q's pan and tilt camera. It rotates and pans, designed to be able to look up the service connections and also look at any defects in the pipe. This is the ribbon hose, we call it. It's got 5 separate hoses. The 2 on the outside are for the grouts, 2-part grout. 3 on the inside. 1 is for air test, 1 is for air inflate of the lateral bag, and the other is for inflating the mainline bladders. We've got about 850 feet of hose on here to enable you to do long runs or easements if necessary. This is the winch that we use to pull the equipment through the pipe. We control it remotely from inside the office of the truck. We fabricate these winches ourselves. Bert the Barge, Magic Man. Very reliable. You can hold about 2,000 feet of cable on here. These are the grout tanks that we mix the 2-part grout in. You put water and ammonium persulfate in this tank, and in the other tank we've got water, AV100, which is the Avanti grout, along with the triethanolamine and latex. You can also put a grout inhibitor into the A tank if you have root problems.
We're operating out of typically an international cab and chassis unit, utilizing Logiball sealing equipment, Q's and Aries componentry, and Avanti's grout for doing the actual sealing of the laterals and preventing infiltration.
Right now we're lining up with the service, pulling the packer into position so that we can introduce the lateral bag into the service. We rotate the unit so that it's pointed towards the service connection. And you should be able to see a little yellow bag come out of the packer, go up the service right there.